Hi, I'm Lisa, and I am delighted to welcome you to the Whimsy Stamps channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm excited to be sharing the Mini Slim Tags die set with you. I have some samples at the end of the video. I hope you'll stick around to check those out. Now, this die set features 4 tags and 2 reinforcement circles sized to fit each tag. The measurements are 3 1/8 of an inch wide by 6 inches high on this largest tag. The next tag is sized at 2 5/8 of an inch wide by 4 5/8 of an inch high. We have a smaller tag that's 1 1/8 of an inch wide by 2 inches high. And our final tag is a 1/2 inch wide by 3 1/2 inches high, perfect for stamping sentiments onto. Now, when I look at this tag set, I look beyond just tags because with some simple partial cuts, a score line, and some adhesive, you can quickly create a mini slimline tag shaped card. My samples that I'm going to share with you are all cards that I created using those simple steps. Here I use the fruity background with the Berry Sweet stamp set that just released. I have a Celebrate Shaker card, and my favorite, the new Panda Peekers on this adorable shaker card. Let me know what you think about the new Mini Slim Tag die set in the comments below. And you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. And we would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.